Two things before the video starts. One, you guys sold out the intake on last video I uploaded. That's absolutely insane that that happened. I didn't think that the intake would sell out, but it did. Second thing is I will be doing a giveaway for G35 owners. You guys will want to be subscribed for that one, so go ahead and subscribe. Turn on post notifications because you don't want to miss out on this giveaway. It's one of the biggest ones I've done so far. So I ended up finding a YouTuber who's local to me, and he has a Honda Civic, a 10th gen Honda Civic Si. So those come straight turboed from factory. The car is not tuned, so that's going to be the biggest difference when racing him. A stock tuned G35 versus a tuned SI. So with that being said, let's go ahead and cut and introduce you to Tony.
What do you want me to do? I've never been on this side of the camera before. What's up, guys? My name's Tony Castillo. This is my 2020 Honda Civic Si. Yes, it is the 1.5 liter, so it does not have VTEC like the older generations, but it does come turbo from factory. Power mods, I have a 271 cold air intake, 271 intercooler, RV6 catted downpipe, RV6 front pipe, full race motorsport 3-inch exhaust, and it is also tuned with K-tuner on the Faribault 1.5 tune. The torque on these cars are insane. I believe with the tune, and it's funny because normally Hondas, they're high revving engines. Let's say if they have 200 horsepower, they have like 140 foot-pounds of torque.
Yeah.
Because of how high you have to rev them. But this one's not a high revving engine. It only revs up to 6.5.
Oh, wow.
With the Faribault state, and it's off, the Faribault tune is actually an off-the-shelf tuning you could buy from a website, just like there's TSP. Yeah. So it's pretty much a tune made for your car. They've been proven to be reliable. There's people already at 200,000 miles.
Oh, wow.
With a tune.
Holy shit.
Yeah, I haven't had any issues other than the clutch. The clutch that I have on it is a Type R retrofit clutch.
Oh, wow.
From NA Performance.
Holy shit.
It has a Type R flywheel, so this guy machines a Type R flywheel and puts it on these cars. Dude,
I like the way it looks. I was telling him off camera how much I like how these cars look. I also like that it's in white. That's something that I may or may not be doing to the G35. Just
ignore how dirty it is. When Faribault tunes their cars to make the off-the-shelf tunes, they do it on a stock car. So they stayed it at 240 wheel horsepower. And by the way, there's 3 maps on the car.
Okay.
1, 2, and 3. Low boost, medium boost, high boost.
Okay.
Right now on high boost, I'd be pushing like 235, 240 wheel, depending on altitude, and like 280 torque if the car was stock.
Wow.
But because it's not stock, it breathes a lot better, it flows a lot better, it might be pushing just a little bit more. I like racing people for funs and shits and giggles. I don't like doing it with somebody I don't know, only because I don't want them to think that I have a bigger ego than them, or vice versa.
Yeah.
That's why I reached out to you and I was like, hey.
But I have a big ego.
Oh, do you?
No, okay. No.
It's small. But it's cool because if I get gapped, I'm like, bro, you gapped the Honda, man. There's nothing worse.
Yeah.
But if I gap you, it's like, bro, you got
it looks bad either way. It's like, oh, you barely gapped the Honda. Oh, you lost the Honda. Regardless, I'm gonna get flamed for it. Next clip you guys see, we're gonna go ahead and see how they pair up together, and we'll go from there. By the way, none of this is real. This is all green screened via effects. I hired a very good VFX guy, so this is not real at all. Just had to throw that out there because I never do. It honestly should be really interesting. He's gonna put it in stage 3, which I think he said was like 240 wheel, and then it's like 280 torque, which is insane. He's probably pushing a little bit more since he said that he does have more bolt-ons than just like a stock car. Just to let you guys know, my car is not tuned, so that's something to definitely consider. Ready? Ready? Damn! That was close! Wow! Wow! I was not expecting that at all. Damn! Not bad. Not bad. Two things that I would need in order to make the car just go faster would be a 3.5-inch intake and then having the car tuned. Once I have those two things, I really think the car would just feel a lot better. Ready? I will say my streak is not the best so far, but I'm not gonna make videos where I feel like it's an easy win for me. It just doesn't make sense. I'm not mad. I'm just disappointed.
I did not think I was gonna get you top end.
Yeah.
Because of how these cars react at the top end.
Right.
I really thought you were gonna slowly, I thought you were gonna reel me in and just start slowly pulling.
Yeah.
But I'm very surprised at how much these 1.5 liters compete with something that's twice as big as the engine.
Insane.
So this is full bolt-on, tuned, and it barely beat your stock G35.
You're trying to make me feel better.
So
okay, I have a 10th gen and it's got, you know, this and that. Oh, I got a G35 and it's got this and that, so I know where I stand.
Plus, doing these kind of videos, it's really entertaining because there's always gonna, like you said, there's always gonna be people going 10th gen SI versus G35.
I do that.
Who will win?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm the guy. You guys are gonna make fun of me. I'm the guy to where if a Q50 pulls up right next to me, that looks like a 2018 Q50 specs. 350. Okay, yeah, I'm not even gonna bother racing you, bro.
If you guys want to go ahead and follow his YouTube channel and also follow his Instagram.
Instagram, Castillo_2240, and then my YouTube is Tony Castillo. I don't only have a 10th gen on the channel, guys. I also do other car reviews as well, and I am starting to bring in a Project Miata in it. It's gonna be my sister's car. We're most likely gonna be case swapping it or turboing it.
That's fucking sick.
Right now it's on the 50/50.
So there you guys have it. That was the runs with the Civic Si. Really close runs, which is always exciting to have. Honestly, I'm really impressed with a 1.5 liter can do with a turbo. A turbo just changes the game, honestly. It's just one of those things that really makes a difference on the engine, regardless of the size. That doesn't take away from the G35. The G35 is like 20 years old already, so the engine can still keep up with what modern technology and modern engineering can do. That's still really impressive, but also just goes to show that a smaller engine with a turbo can definitely make the same power, if not more. As far as what's next for the G35, I definitely need a tune, so that's one thing on the list. Another thing I've been looking at is doing some custom intake work, so I've been working around with that on the intake manifold and also the intake. That's something that I'll have videos for in the future, so definitely stay tuned for those. And again, one of the biggest things that I'm going to be doing is giving away something to you guys. It's one of the biggest giveaways I've done on the channel so far, so definitely subscribe and have post notifications on. You don't want to miss this one, especially if you want to start modifying your G35. This is one of the first starting points for it, so I'm really excited about that. I always want to give back to you guys. I love giving back to you guys, so this is one of those things where I'm really excited for it. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.